Hi there crafters, and welcome to a tutorial on how to print words in Minecraft Education Edition. Okay, let's go. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to print words like you can see here floating in the sky in Minecraft Education. Alright, to be doing this, we're going to be using Microsoft Makecode. So as you can see on the screen, we're going to access Microsoft Makecode by pressing the letter C on the keyboard. When we press C, we've given three choices. We're going to take the first one, where we can code either in blocks, Python, or JavaScript. We're going to begin by coding in blocks, and let's call this large letters. Blocks are easy because we can just put them all together and it's already set up ready to roll. Okay, here's my coding screen, and I've got two choices. I can have an on-start command or an on-chat command. We're going to go with an on-chat command here today. Alright, so I'll get rid of that. Alright, move this over here, and I'm going to go into blocks, and if I go down to blocks and scroll down the screen, I'm going to find this super handy bit of code, and this block is a print block, and you can see it's already basically ready to go. So I'm going to say on chat command print, it's going to print hello, and I'm going to find a block. What block should I use? Orange wool, that'll do. Okay, so it's going to print hello in orange wool, and this next section is your coordinates. Now, this isn't going to be the coordinates for the world. This is the coordinates in relation to the player. So, this is X for east and west, this is Y for up and down, and this is Z for north and south. So I'm just going to put it so that it will print 2 blocks above my head. And I'll do it this way on the positive X to start with, and I'll come back to this later. Okay, I'm good to go. So I'm just going to click out of the screen, and if I just turn around, I've set up a nice little spot here to demonstrate. Okay, so I'm printing to the east, so I'm just going to find which way east is. And east is the positive X value. So you can see 129, 30, 31, 32, 33. That first number is my X, and it's going positive, so it is heading east. Okay, so now I need to push T for talk, and my chat command, I believe, was print. Okay, and if I'm right, aha! There we go, and without an agent it'll automatically just go and print for you. Excellent. So here it is, it's set up on the east and it's printing hello. Great. So second step, I want to show you how to then make the words go different directions so that it could go north, south and west as well. Right, I'm going to head back to my code by pushing C. Alright, so I'm going to make a different block here for each of the directions, north, south, east and west. So I'm going to duplicate it 4 times, 1 for each one. And it's pretty easy, I just did that. Okay, now I'm going to start renaming. So the first one, I'm going to change this now to north, and it's going to print in the right spot. If I click in the right spot, it's going to print north, and I might just put that in capitals. Alright, now I'm going to choose a color. I'm going to go for concrete, so I might even go red. Good, and it's going to go north. And next one, let's go south. What color shall I go for south? Blue? No worries. Light blue. Let's go light blue, concrete. Good. That's going to go south. West. west, and I'll change my block to, what's it you say? Yeah, green's great color. Green concrete, drag it down, good. I'll say west, and finally east. When I've filled this in, I'm going to come back and show you just a little bit more about this, what I've been doing. Yellow concrete. Oh, I think that was yellow concrete powder. Where are you? Gotcha. Okay, and that's already set up to E positive. All right, so this is on my my coordinates where I have X, east and west, Y, up and down, and Z, north and south. Now, in our normal coordinate system, if I'm, you might be thinking, hold on a second, why does it say north negative and south positive? Yeah, this is how Microsoft, well, Microsoft didn't build it, I suppose, but this is how it is done in Minecraft. So we have X runs as you would expect it to be, with west negative and east positive, but north and south are kind of back to front. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to find north first, and I can see that's north because it's going lower. So this is where I want it to be. I push T. I'm going to type in north. Aha, there it's going, and you'll notice that it's actually riding this way. So if I go around this side, it looks spot on. Done. Beautiful. Let's get the others. We have west, and south, and I might leave east because I've already done it. There's south. So super easy. I can make my writing go in different directions, and it looks pretty cool. In this case, I've made a compass, really, haven't I? Okay, now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you put it on a background. So I'm going to leave this area that I've set up and head over there where I've built a big wall. All right, here it is. It's my grey terracotta wall, which I'm going to put some fancy writing on. The first one is, double check to see, aha, it's getting, you can see my Z coordinate is getting higher, so that means it's positive, which means I can go south. And if I look over here, I think you can see that there already. All right, beautiful. And that means that this one would be, of course, east. Oh, a little bit high, but that's okay. And I might go down a little bit this time. That means if that was east, that this one must be north. So the advantage is, once I've written those code blocks once, I can just go around and, you know, just put in the chat command and it's already ready to go. Oh, what are you doing? Whoops. Okay, and so finally I think it should just be west. That's it. I do believe I'm done. And if I scoot around, you can see that writing looks pretty good, and it has saved me a lot of time if I wanted to have writing in my build, which now that I know I can print it, I reckon I'll use a heap more. Okay, there you go. That's my tutorial on how to print in Minecraft. I hope this has been useful, and I look forward to bringing you some more tutorials soon. Catch you later.